welcome back for another video. I am ADRIaRenee, and today we are constructing this playpen that I got off Amazon for the baby. So this video is actually super short, but let's just discuss how it probably took me about 2 hours to put this thing together. As you can see, I had attached each pole to the connection, but that was a bad idea. So then when I started putting it together, I realized I should take one off. So I took one off. So I attached each one, and then I took one off each one and attached each one. So a mess nonetheless. I finally got it together. They were super difficult to secure, but overall it made for a really nice and sturdy base. So then from there, we put it all together and moved all the poles so I could see better. Now we're putting up the sides, which are a whole lot easier, but still kind of hard to put into the plastic. Pole to plastic, pole to plastic, pole to plastic, pole to plastic. And then that's it. Yeah, let's briefly talk about these trifling ass instructions that they provided. Like, what? I don't even know what that one meant. Talking about great success has been achieved. Anywho, here it is. She's nice and sturdy. She got a little basketball hoop. She's sitting over there in her bouncer. That's what that white thing is right there. But nonetheless, she wants to get out because I'm standing now. I've been sitting the whole time. It has a zip opening where we can unzip it and put the flaps back. She can crawl in and out. It's an indoor-outdoor playpen, so we're probably gonna take it outside because, as you can see from right here, it's super bright outside. The sun's out, buns out. So that's what we're gonna do. But nonetheless, we did it. It's done. I don't know how long it took me. I took a break, ate some crab legs, came back. So yeah.